Meaning of deadly nightshade.
Deadly nightshade.
Deadly nightshade.
Deadly nightshade.
Deadly nightshade. Deadly nightshade, also known as belladonna, is a highly toxic plant found in Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia. The plant contains poisonous alkaloids that can cause a range of harmful symptoms, including dilated pupils, blurred vision, dry mouth, confusion, and even death in severe cases. Ingesting any part of the plant can be extremely dangerous and should be avoided at all costs. Deadly nightshade has historically been used for medicinal and cosmetic purposes, but its use is now highly regulated due to its potent toxicity.